Tommy is in from what part of New York?
Eastern Long Island, the Hamptons.
The Hamptons. It's a very wealthy area, right?
Yes.
So right now you are you have a business. You are like a manager, right?
Yes.
Of Liberty Auto Repair and Towing. So you guys do towing.
Towing, repairs, and soon to be details.
So you're going to add detailing. So you've been here since Friday. You're here and you got certified today. Your details are certified. You're now Jade certified. Okay. So what do you think of Friday? Friday was the business and marketing class.
Friday I thought was great. There's definitely things that can be added to all portions of the business as well.
So you
A lot
felt
to
that it's definitely going to lead you in the right direction
Yes.
for marketing, advertising, ChatGPT, Google Ads, the whole bit. Fabulous. That was on Friday. So Saturday, okay, Saturday we had hey guys, Saturday you performed paint correction on this Cadillac and you put a ceramic coating on it. So what did you think of the training on Saturday?
I thought it was very good, step by step, in-depth, hands-on, one-on-one. Made it a lot easier to learn, and I thought it went very well.
So the private training where you have you have your own trainer, you
Yeah, if
felt
have
that
any
there's some value
questions
to that.
along the way, they stop and you can ask and get everything you need figured
They
out.
did a good job. Today was the interior cleaning, detailing, and we also did a ceramic coating on some of the interior. What do you think of that training?
I thought there's a lot more than I thought there was to it, and easier ways to do it and more efficient. And the ceramic coating on the interior was great. So
Excellent. So you brought one of your guys, one of your employees with you, and we're going to talk to Nick here next. But do you think you'll be able to lead this team into success?
I sure hope so.
Excellent. We did a great job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.